Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Garden Hour, brought to you by SDSU Extension every week at this hour.
This show is the beginning of hopefully a season-long opportunity for everyone to be asking their garden questions, and hopefully we'll be able to answer them. For some of you that remember the garden line, we're going to be kind of playing off that.
My name is Christine Lang, and I am an assistant professor and consumer horticulture extension specialist based out of the Brookings campus and serving the entire state of South Dakota.
I'm Rhoda Burrows, SDSU Extension horticulturist.
My name is John Ball. I'm the extension forestry specialist for South Dakota Extension, and I'm also the forest health specialist for the South Dakota Department of Agriculture and Natural Resources.
Amanda Bachman. I'm the pesticide education and urban entomology field specialist for SDSU Extension based in Pierre.
A lot of good information on what's going on. Springs are always busy. You know, it seems like it's popping up everywhere in the state.
Be sure and get over to McCurry Gardens when you can.
We'll see you Tuesday night. So thanks, everyone.